Hello guys, this is Roshni Gupta and I am so glad to inform you that I have achieved my goal and I selected in SSC GD. I have shared my offer letter in previous video, you can watch over there. Now I am doing my packing. That is a very basic step that I needed over there. I am very excited to doing all this and I am very excited and curious about my training that will be held over there. I will be sharing all that videos, so stay tuned with me and watch my full video and give some blessings to achieve more and show some love by commenting. So here I am done with my packing. I will be share some more videos about my traveling, training and whatever things will be going over there. So I will share all things. देखते रहिए आप सभी और प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड लाइक माय वीडियो और हाँ साथ में बने रहिए, मज़ा आएगी। थैंक यू।